So what is pre-construction development? My name is Windson Honorato. I'm with the Honorato Company, and I am glad you asked. The Honorato Company is a construction management and general contracting firm. Pre-construction development is something that we developed on the construction management side of the company before we send everything to the general contracting side of the company. In short, pre-construction is us putting all of your plans together before we move forward with the project. I'm talking plot plans, civil engineering plans, architectural plans, engineering plans, mood board and interior design, all of that good stuff. Along with that, we're gonna put together timeline. We're gonna get the permit ready to go. We're gonna put together a scope of work in detail, nothing vague, in a lot of detail so that we know exactly what we're doing, and then we're gonna do line item costs. And we show you everything. In short, that is what you get with pre-construction development. And we do that before we start breaking ground or before we start opening up any wall or ceiling in the home or the project. Reason being is because you as a client, you're gonna have some expectations of us. You want us to track the finances really well. You want us to track the timing and the schedule of the project really well. You want us to communicate really well, and you want us to make sure that we understand your design and that we don't mess up in the very little details. The only way to make sure that that happens is for us to go through pre-construction development. So we don't just sign a contract and move right into construction. We sign the agreement, we design your project with you, you come to our office, we put it up on the big screen, we design as you're looking at it, revise what we have to revise, make sure that we understand you so that we can do everything that you would like us to do, and then we move forward with certainty. We get rid of red flags, we get rid of uncertainty, and we get rid of the risk. By decreasing that risk, the timeline is going to be that much more effective. The finances and the budget is going to be that much more accurate, and you and us will be that much more happier. So that is what you get with pre-construction development. That is why we provide it, and that is what we hope that you move into next.